Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So uHugo Broos kusasa uyo-announce isquad sakhe sabadlali azohamba nabo baye le ku-World Cup. Kuloso squad-ke azosithatha uzokhipha abadlali abo-6 yabo. So lana-ke ngizoshaya ividiyo ngomdlali okumele nangephutha angasali yabo. Ngicela nje ukulikhuluma iqiniso mina ngokwami I don't think uThapelo Maseko kumele asale kwisquad seBafana Bafana esihambayo siye le eAmerica. I have reasons why lo mdlali lo kungamele asale. And ama reason are valid. But ke when usengangitshela ama comments how do you feel about uThapelo Maseko regarding him or potentially not going to World Cup. But ke the reason why ngisho njalo ukuthi ke umjida kumele ahambe aye ku World Cup. Remember bafethu uThapelo Maseko is one of the youngest abanebhathi ngosikhathi sidlala kwiAFCON yango 2024. If you remember the AFCON yango 2024 iBafana Bafana they managed ukuthi ke bafike kunombolo 3 bathole ibronze medal yabo. Bakwazi ukuthi ke banqobe against iDRC ukuze ke bayithole le bronze medal. Unumber 1 kwabubani na kwaba iIvory Coast mase kuthi ke unumber 2 kuba iNigeria yabo. Sakwa ukuthi ke siphume unumber 3 kuleyo competition kwakunomdlalo okuthiwa ubani na uThapelo Maseko. Thapelo Maseko in that competition umjida wayedlala ngempela. He was very good and he was on fire but ke career yakhe iyaphazamiseka kuyona le tournament le. uHugo Broos wayemthemba kakhulu umjida wamthatha ukuthi ke ahambe naye. Indlela yemthemba khona wayesamncane kakhulu ngalekhathi. Wamthemba ukuthi ke ahambe naye uyodlala le competition le eyayile Ivory Coast. But ke if you remember quite honestly kuma quarter finals ngosikhathi sidlala against Cape Verde leyo game yaphela ngo 0-0. But ke kuleyo game umjida walimala yabo. Wathola injury abayibiza ngo grade 3 hamstring. La injury ke bafethu akusiyona iinjury ongayithatha kancane yabo. Iinjury le ekuhlalisa isikhathi eside because mengikhumbula kahle wahlala isikhathi esingangoba I think 4 to 6 months lapho wahlala isikhathi eside engadlali for yona iBafana Bafana engadlali for yona iMamelodi Sundowns yabo. I remember umjida bafethu he missed the entire journey yeBafana Bafana, not entirely the entire journey yeBafana Bafana for ama qualifications but most of our games iBafana Bafana uthi qualify for iWorld Cup wayengekho umjida yabo. And futhi nakhona ukungabi kubiko kwakhe wayengazenzi yabo. Ayithi wayezenza umjida uthi ke awamise lawo ma qualifications wayehleli because wayene injury. And umjida ever since walimala izinto azimhambeli kahle yabo. Ngoba ever since walimala ucoach wayemsayinile from iSuperSport ayekwinina kwiMamelodi Sundowns wahamba the same season because after esayiniwe umjida wahamba uRulani Mgwena. Wahamba kuRulani Mgwena kwalandwa bani na wafika uManqoba Mnqithi with ubani na Miguel Gadoso naye walandela emva kwaManqoba Mnqithi. So yena ukudlala kwakhe kwavele kwehla kakhulu because there were many players who were being signed by Mamelodi Sundowns at that time frame. Abadlali babesayinwa bamenza ukuthi ke angayitholi kakhulu igame time because umjida ubevele sathana kuphuma kwi-injury and abadlali abasathana kusayinwa badlala kahle kakhulu. So bekuzoba nzima kakhulu ukuthi ke abahlalise ebenchini because vele naye ngokweminyaka usamncane. Kodwa ke ukufika kwakhe umjida wafika eshisa ngempela. Kunenkinga ke regarding abadlali abagijimayo bokunake. Once umdlali ogijimayo waba ne-injury akabuye esadlala kahle ngalendlela nje ajwayele ukudlala ngayo. But ke umjida wathola ithuba lokuthi ke athole i-loan ayodlalela iclub ele kwiCyprus yabo. Club edlala le eCyprus bafethu and right now nje wasikhuluma nje umjida udlala kahle yabo. Truth be told udlala kahle umjida. We managed to see him ethola ithuba lokuthi ke ayo represent iBafana Bafana even though engawatholanga ama minutes amaningi but ke sambona umjida ke edlala for iBafana Bafana. So mina ngokwami I don't think umjida kumele asale. uHugo Broos wathatha igamble kakhulu ukuthi ke amthathe ngaleso sikhathi siya kwiAFCON uthi ke ahambe naye and wamlwela umjida waze ke walimala ubani na uMaseko. So kumele amrepair njengamanje ahambe naye aye kuphi na kwiFIFA World Cup. But ke that is my take. Wena ke ungangitshela ngabadlali ongafisa ukuthi ke babe khona kwiWorld Cup ongamele ngempela ba exclude kule squad esikhona because kuyokhishwa 6 players. Mina ngokwami I would really love to see uThapelo Maseko being part of the squad esohamba bafethu. But ke you can tell me in the comments which players do you think kumele bahambe bayele eAmerica. Uvane lo bafethu ungangixeki ngiyabazi ke abantu ngizoqhama seningixeka ngitsheleni yabo. Into engiyithanda ngayo umjida ngeyuzumuzwe ecommenta yabo. Hayi ngeke uzumuzwe uThapelo Maseko ekhuluma into eseceleni ngeBafana Bafana ngabadlali abakhethiwe ukuthi yena akakhethwanga. No, he just take it as it is yabo. He is a big player umjida. Is one of those players I really admire because you don't really see izinto ezinegative about him last season I saw Mshida wayengekho mnandi regarding i-game time kuma-Mamelodi Sundowns, ingakho nje wathola ithuba lokuthi ke aye le yebo uyodlala phesheya. So I really admire the player. I just hope izoyithola i-team kule season entsha. I know many teams are going to look around and bazombona naye as a potential player bangamsayina. There are many teams akhona ku-Betway Premiership angathanda ama-services akhe ubane nawo Thapelo Maseko, even overseas lethi mayidlalelayo, maybe they can make that loan be a potential permanent move. Isingisi siyabaleka, but yeah, bangakwazi ke bamsayine uMjida ke abe yi-permanent player in that Cyprus team. But ke as I said, these are just my own views regarding the player that I really admire indlela adlala ngakhona. Yabo uzokwazi ke a-add more kuleya attacking yabo isinawe lapha kuBafana, because currently I feel like siyaleka lapho nalapho. Yabo usenga provide something if maybe kuthathwa bani na uMoremi naye athathu, because if you look at uMoremi naye, I think it is a similar situation. Bacishe bafana indlela yokudlala yabo, they are both quick indlela abadlala ngakhona. Maybe you can make your say regarding uSibelebele, but yeah, I prefer uSibelebele being played as a right wing back, so I don't prefer uSibelebele being played as a winger. Maybe Hugo Bros, if he picks uSibelebele, he will pick him as a right winger. I don't know. Hugo Bros usually makes the decisions axaka abantu abaningi, but ke I would really prefer a player like uTapero Morena if uSibelebele echuzwa naye. Uma ephuma uSibelebele si introduce a player like uTapelo Maseko njalo, not uTapelo Morena, but ke yeah.